With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use Cool Mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use Warm Mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With Auto Mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, LEVOIT's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
Connect your smart humidifier to the VSync app. You can adjust settings, turn on auto mode, and more from anywhere you'd like. We'll show you how to get started. Before you get started, turn on Bluetooth and make sure your phone is not connected to any other devices. Then, open the VSync app. The app will ask you to log in or create an account. On the home screen, tap the plus sign. Select Air Quality Products and look for your humidifier. Make sure the humidifier is plugged in and turned on. When VSync prompts you, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds. The Wi-Fi indicator will blink and VSync will begin connecting to your humidifier. To complete the connection, sign in to your Wi-Fi network. VSync will then give you the option to name your device. Once you're connected, you can access your smart humidifier whenever you need it.